Welcome to my channel.
And this is English Podcast Station.
Hey, everyone. Want to speak English easily and naturally? The secret's pretty simple. You've got to think in English. But how do you actually do that? Stick around because today we're showing you the best ways to train your brain to think directly in English. And hey, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a like. It really helps us create more awesome lessons for you. All right, let's jump in. Thinking in English isn't something that just happens overnight. It definitely takes time and consistent practice. A lot of learners get stuck translating word for word from their native language in their heads, and that really slows things down. When you start thinking directly in English, your speaking will get way faster and sound much more natural. So let's break down some effective techniques to help you build this skill. First up, start with simple words and phrases. Just begin by using basic English words inside your head. See a tree? Think tree, not the word in your first language. Drinking coffee? Think, I'm drinking coffee. This simple habit starts training your brain to connect directly to English. Try doing this with everyday objects around you. You can even put labels on things in your house. Write door on your door, mirror on the mirror, window on the window. Every time you see them, your brain gets a little reminder. It's a great way to create an English-speaking environment right at home. Want to take it up a notch? Say the words out loud. Every time you open the fridge, say fridge. Grabbing an apple? Say apple. Mixing speaking and thinking in English makes the language feel much more automatic. Another great technique? Play a quick memory game. When you walk into a room, quickly name 5 things you see in English. Then step out and try to list those 5 things from memory. This pushes your brain to recall English words faster, speeding up your English thinking. Next, describe what you see and do. As you go about your day, narrate what's happening in English in your mind. If you're at the park, think, the grass is green. The sun feels warm. People are walking their dogs. If you're cooking dinner, think, I'm chopping onions. The water is boiling. This constantly connects your actions and observations to English. To make this even better, add details. Instead of just the car is red, try thinking that small red car is parked next to the tall white building. The more descriptive you get, the more natural your English thinking will become. You can turn this into a game while you're walking outside. Name everything you see, starting simple and adding more detail. Instead of tree, think that tall tree has bright green leaves and tiny red buds. It's a fantastic vocabulary builder. Feeling confident? Try describing what other people are doing. See someone jogging? Think that guy in the blue shirt is jogging pretty slowly while listening to music. This really helps you practice forming complete sentences mentally. Also, talk to yourself in English. Seriously, you don't need a conversation partner for this. When you wake up, think or say, okay, time to get out of bed. Eating breakfast? Wow, this cereal tastes good. Talking to yourself like this helps you form sentences without constantly translating. You can also ask and answer your own questions. In the morning, so what's the plan for today? Answer yourself, okay, I'm gonna work and then I'm meeting Sarah later. At night, what did I actually get done today? Answer in English. This practice gets you comfortable thinking in full sentences. Want to level up? Record yourself. Pick a topic, talk about it for a minute in English, then listen back. Notice where you can improve sentence flow or maybe pronunciation. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll get thinking and speaking in English. Think in English while you're reading or listening when you're consuming English content. Try to process it in English. Hear a new word? Don't immediately rush to translate. Try to understand it from the context. For example, if you hear the dog is barking loudly, picture a dog making noise rather than translating barking. If you read something like, the little girl was shivering because it was freezing outside, you can probably guess shivering means shaking from cold. This trains you to stop relying on translation. Also, try summarizing. After reading an article or watching a short video, ask yourself in English, okay, what was the main point of that? And answer in English. This forces your brain to process and repackage the information using English. Use English for everyday decisions. When you're making small choices, do it in English. Choosing between tea and coffee? Think, I think I want tea because it's warm and cozy. Making decisions in English makes it a natural part of your thought process. Expand this. When you're shopping, think about your options in English. See 2 shirts you like. Ask yourself, which one should I get? The blue one or the red one? Want to push it further? Write down the reasons for your choices. For example, I picked the red shirt because the color looks better on me. This helps you organize and articulate your thoughts clearly in English. Finally, make thinking in English a habit. It needs to become part of your daily routine. It might feel tough at first, but stick with it. Even just a few minutes every day adds up, and your brain will adapt. Set reminders. Put a sticky note on your computer that says, think in English. Every time you see it, consciously switch your thoughts to English for a minute or 2. If staying consistent is hard, try keeping an English thinking journal. Every night, jot down 3 things you thought about in English that day. It's super motivating and helps you track your progress. Okay, now it's your turn. Give these techniques a try and start thinking in English today. Do you already do some English thinking? Let us know how it's going in the comments below. And please share this video with any friends who are also learning English. If you want to practice with other learners, check out our Telegram group. The link is in the description. We'll see you in the next lesson. Remember, we upload new videos and stories every day to keep your English learning journey fun and effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join us on this adventure to English mastery. See you tomorrow.